Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirajana from leotaleslive and today we have a brand new subscription. The name is DSS Box or The Devil Stuns the Sun. It is a lifestyle subscription priced at $14.50 and you're getting products and services worth $300-400. When I say services, there's a reason you have to keep on watching to know what they are. So this is not a fully personalized box, but there is some personalization which you can see. So let's get started. So here we have the DSS Kit or The Devil Stuns the Sun kit. And the first thing I noticed is this outer packaging. Usually it comes in a box and all, but this is a reusable bag. It's a jute bag and I'm so happy that it is not plastic and there is no issue of disposing, and it's a very beautiful bag. It comes with a handle and it has a zipper closure. So this is like a multi-purpose bag. You can use it for decoration purposes. You can use it like when you're going out, and there are different colors also available. A very good material bag and definitely a great addition. I'm not sure if this is even counted as a product, but I'll definitely do that because it's very unique, unlike the typical bag or box packaging. So inside that we have all the products, and there are so many products actually. There are so many chocolates and all that I can see, very nicely packed up. So we'll do one thing, we'll get started one by one and see what all we have inside it. Right now this is very heavy. The first product that we have here is a designer scarf, and this is by Sohini. I think she runs a shop in Kolkata, or I'm not really sure about that, but this is like a completely a handmade production by someone that the owner of DSS, Dr. Mahua, knows personally. So this is the design that I picked and it looks very pretty. So this is like a cotton scarf and it's a rather wide scarf. As you can see, it is a pretty wide scarf, not a very thin one. And there were so many designs available, but this one got my attention also because I love the color. So this is the first product in the DSS kit, a perfect jewelry cum scarf kind of. So this is the first one. Next we have is a set of 5 different earrings, and that is like 5 jewelry pieces in one box, and that is just like, you know, one product of the lot. So let's see them. This is the first pair. It is a stud and it is a leaf design, and this is the first one. It's like a silver colored jewelry. This is the second pair of jewelry. It's a very lightweight earrings and it's golden color. I think everybody will be receiving probably the same design, maybe a different color option, but then it's not a choice. So this is how my second earring looks like. This is how the third pair of earring looks like, and it is jhumki, but it's like a dull gold color, which is good, not that bright on your face kind of golden. Again, a green color. I'm not sure if she matched it up with my scarf. You may be receiving the same design only. So this is how it's like a ring cum jhumki pattern. So this is how the earring looks like. Next is a brilliant pair of earrings. It is Lord Ganesha, and I've never seen Lord Ganesha in such a small earring actually. Usually they're very bulky and all, which you can't wear on a daily basis, but this is very cute. It has a pearl dangler also, and this is my favorite jewelry of the lot. So this is how it looks like. This is the last pair of earrings. Again, a lightweight floral earrings, but not at all flimsy. It is kind of sturdy and something that you can wear on a daily basis, whether you are a college going student or whatever that is. So this is the last pair of earrings and it's nice. We'll move on to skincare. The first product is from Fuschia. It is the Sandal and Saffron Dazzle Face Mask. The key ingredients are mentioned here. It is a full-size product, and because of the summer it has melted slightly, but because of this outer plastic wrapping, it has not affected any of the products. So that is okay. It is basically the issue of the weather basically. And as you know, Fuschia is a known brand and it needs no introduction. So this is priced at 450 rupees. And a face mask, which is for all skin types for summers. That's a good addition. So this is the first one. Then there is also a deluxe sample from Fuschia. It is the lemongrass and tea tree oil balancing face gel. Although I've seen a lot of these samples of the gels, I don't think this oil balancing gel has been featured in boxes before. It's a blue colored gel. Let's just open it up. Yeah, it is a blue colored gel. I've seen the full size bottle of this. So this is how the gel looks like, and it has almost a lightweight and non-colored when you apply it onto your skin. So it has a rather refreshing fragrance also. So this is particularly for oily skin. However, summers means sweating out for all skin types. So that is a good addition. So this is for 75 rupees and you're getting 15 grams. Next is from glamitup. As you already know, they have their box on their own and they have their line of skincare as well. So this what we have here is a sunscreen, and this is how it is packed. So this is how it looks like. Sun Glow Sunscreen Gel, and I'm glad that it is a gel and not a cream, because summers and cream doesn't go hand in hand. So it's nicely packed also. There was nothing leaking or anything. So this is the texture of the gel, and yeah, it stays true to the name. It is indeed a gel. So yeah, so this is how the sunscreen is. I don't know how much of the SPF quantity is in there, but yes, the texture is very much like a gel, and it's like water only, not at all oily. That makes me so happy, because summers are like, you can't step out without, even in winters you can't step out without sunscreen. But all those creamy sunscreens and even the gel sunscreens, which are chemical rich, I am so tired of using them, and I'm finally happy that I got a sunscreen gel from a good brand. So this is the next product. And yeah. Then there is also a bath salt sample from Fuschia. It is the Blueberry Bloom Bath Salt, a one-time use product, and it is again 15 gram and the price is 75 rupees. So that makes it 3 products from Fuschia, and 1 full size and 2 samples. Next we have here is makeup wipes, and these are for face and eye makeup removal. These are cleansing wipes, and I think I already have them. So here you just have to open it, and you can, after using it, you can seal it back also. So here is the opening, and I think I tried it once. It removes makeup pretty good, not the waterproof makeup, but the normal makeup that you wear, like, you know, daily, compact and all that. It will remove nicely, and also it has a cooling sensation to it. So this is, yeah, I think around 25 to 30 wipes are in there. Yeah, 25 wipes are there. So this is the next product. There is a headband, and this comes in handy especially when you're using a mask. I so need them all the time, because my hair goes either into my mouth or it will get stuck with my face mask, which I don't like. So this is a Velcro headband, and that is good. Again, a random color will be there. So since you already have a mask from Fuschia, a headband is definitely a very thoughtful addition. Next up, you have something from W. Basically, W, I came across them because of the chocolates. So there are lots of mint chocolates, and you can see there are a lot of them. I think it's at least 30 of them are there. So these are the mint chocolates, and I would really want to taste one right now. I'm tempted. So the chocolates have been very, very good, and I've tasted their motichur and all. So this is how the mint chocolate looks like. Let's taste it. It is milk plus mint. Oh my god. Tasting this was a bad decision, because now I can't stop it. It tastes very good. You have to try this. If you're a chocolate lover, if you like white chocolate, you have to try this. As for eating, there is also some dry fruits, which is, I love dry fruits. Mine's some healthy roasted nuts. There is cashew, and then there is, it talks about the advantages of cashew, how it lowers the glycemic index, how it controls hypertension and diabetes. And then there is pistachio, and then there is kismis. So it's just a handful, but then it's good. And I like dry fruits very much. So that is another product. Then there is also some Glucon D. It's a nice thoughtful addition actually in summers and all. Basically, I think the box started off for women who are like working women, or who are in the hostel, like people who need that kind of, you know, energy throughout the day. So this is, I wouldn't say this is like a unique addition, but it's a very thoughtful addition. So here you have a full size product. It's 75 plus 15 gram, and that is next product. There's also one other skincare, and that is from Fuschia again, and it is the Citrus Blast Orange Lemon Soap Free Face Wash. It's a 50 ml product, and the full information is mentioned here. We have something wrapped up this way. I don't know what this is. Let's open up and see. Should have known what they are. These are the chocolates again from W, and yeah, this is how the W card is. So there are some codes and all mentioned here. You will find this in the description box. You can use the code DYPP13 and avail 15% off on your next order for chocolates alone. So these are the chocolates that I have. I have here Sexy Strawberry, Moody Mango, and Choco Rock. Choco Rock is their like famous. So these three chocolates made me very happy. I was just wondering if there are no full-size chocolates this time, but yeah, that's great. And also, basically, I reached the info card at the end of the video. So we have some discount code from Fuschia as well, I guess. And then there is some code from Glamitup. Get 25% off on any skincare, valid till May end. And then there is, oh yeah, this is something very important actually. You actually get a complete diet tip. Basically, you can consult with this Dr. Farah Modi and you can get diet tips. That is, I think, throughout the week. You can access it only if you are a subscriber to the box. So, which is good. It is not like a physical product out there, but something very important, especially summers and all. We may be following a wrong diet, which can actually impact our health. So there are some diet tips and all mentioned here, but on top of that, you can get consultation as well. That is a very thoughtful, not a product, but a thoughtful service in the box. And then finally, the products are not yet over. You have one last product, which is like a, I think it's a home decor piece. Let's see what it is. That's one stunning decor piece. It's so beautiful, and it also comes with a hanging attachment. Now this is very pretty, I have to say that. So this is how the right side looks like. It has that, you know, that feel of handmade products, some like the artisan handcrafted feeling, which I personally love so much. I don't have anything like this before, I guess. So this is very beautiful. And what is this? Is that a tiger? Is that a lion? Maybe I should not really try to read into the meaning because I never do that. So yeah, this is the last product in my DSS Devil Stuns the Sun kit. And that, I think, let me just check. Yes, that completes my box, and that's everything that I got in my DSS kit. So, coming to my review, there are many products, and they're all good products actually. My review is that I wouldn't say that for skincare and all you have so many unique stuff here, but whatever you get here is good. The chocolates by W, I can vouch for these mint chocolates. They're pretty good, and the bigger bars are also, they're also nice. I've tasted a lot of variants. The scarf neck piece is good. If you use them, you can, if you are used to like traveling in bike and then you really want it, or you know, in the sun, you can use it. And also it doubles up as a jewelry. And then the bag is reusable for multi-purpose, and it has a zipper also. And then there is some skincare and some edibles and a pair of 5 daily wear earrings, some skincare. So I think it's an all-rounder box that gives you so many stuff, and also the consultation with the doctor, which I should not forget, and the home decor piece also. So I think I received so many useful products that I would actually use in my day-to-day life, and that is one reason why I like the DSS kit. It's a different feeling altogether, not like a typical subscription box. There is something different and something beautiful about it. So let me know how you guys like the DSS box and what do you guys feel about it. And if you have any suggestions, I'm pretty sure that Dr. Mahua will be going through the comment section. So our suggestions will definitely help her out. So let me know what you guys think about it. And also hygiene box is coming up by them. Stay tuned for that as well. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.